guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Have you all ever wanted a photo or a video light but don't want to shell out an insane amount of money for those expensive Godok studio lights? Well, this video is just for you. Today, I'll be talking about the 19-inch ring light from Digitek that I'm currently using for my video right now. Subscribe to my channel for cinematography and tech videos and click on the bell notification so you never miss an upload. Let's jump right into the unboxing. Lighting is everything in videography and photography, and you always need to step up your light game. Not everyone can afford the expensive Godox lights that cost upwards of 8,000 rupees. So the perfect substitute for that is the ring light. A ring light is not that expensive and can be used by the smallest of creators and the biggest of celebrities. So that's the perfect substitute for expensive studio lights. But is it any good? Well, the answer to that question is yes and no, depending upon your use case. The ring light is perfect if you want to make sit-down videos like this for YouTube or Instagram Reels, or if you're a beauty influencer and want to make videos, the ring light is the perfect choice for you. You get control over the color temperature, you get control over the dimming. All of these features that come in high-end studio lights you can get at an affordable price. You can get various sizes. You can get a 10-inch ring light, you can get a 19-inch ring light, depending upon your use case. Another problem with the expensive studio lights is that they are bulky, they are so big, and you need to carry a softbox, reflectors, stands. All of this is a lot of equipment to carry around with you go. But with the ring light, it's very portable. You get a carrying case that you can carry around wherever you go for any shoot you go for. And it's perfect for the young creators who want to create videos but don't want to spend an insane amount of money. The ring light can not only be used in the front-facing position like they do in many beauty videos, where you get the ring reflection in your eye, but it also can be used at an angle to create this dramatic YouTube look, which is basically a lot of light on this side and shadows on this side of the face, which gives it a more cinematic, dramatic look. So the main question here is, are ring lights just used by TikTokers? Well, no. The ring light is a very versatile tool, and lighting can make or break your shot. You can use it for macro photography, macro videography, for B-roll, for product commercials, everything you can use this ring light for. This ring light is linked in the description down below. Do drop a like if you enjoyed my video and please subscribe for more content. By the way, do let me know in the comment section how my video quality is. I've changed my camera from the OnePlus 7 to the Sony A7 III. Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Peace. I'll see you in the next one.